are many ways to use directional drilling. We define 4 applications where directional drilling is mainly used. That is deviation control, branch holes and side tracking, flexibility within the exploration, and geotechnical investigation. So, deviation control is where you use directional drilling. If you have natural deviation on your boreholes, you could use directional drilling to correct that natural deviation and make sure that your drill holes hit the targets. That can be used as an actively used, or you can have Deviation or IMDEX on site as more of an insurance to your borehole, right? So sometimes you have to use directional a lot, and sometimes we just have to drill a few meters to correct and keep that borehole on path. And the accuracy that you can achieve is as good as your survey tool can survey, more or less, right? So we say that we have 1% of the depth of the borehole as the accuracy, but in most cases we can hit targets and stay within a tolerance in much tighter tolerances, right? And then you have branch holes and side tracking. So this is the commonly used application for directional. This is where you save the big money, where you can drill one mother hole down to depth and you can branch out. And when we do this, we always plan it ahead so that we drill the shallowest target first. So we'll put in a curve in the borehole so that once you finish your target, we can pull back and we can just drill through that curved section and create a new branch. And out of that, we'll make a new curve and etc. and it continues. So by using cutting the curve method, you don't need to put any wedge or cement or anything like that in the borehole. Depending on the size of your program, you will either way save time, money, and meters by using directional. And that's just the actual direct cost savings, right? But you have less core handling, you have less logistics, you have less spare parts, you have less fuel consumption, less CO2 emissions. So it's a lot of things where you can save by using branch program. And then the flexibility is also coming more and more applicable, where if you have a steep ore body, for instance, and you want to cut through that ore body in a certain intersection angle. So we can then force the drill hole to hit your ore body in that angle you would like. Or if you would need to have flexibility in where to place your rig. So that could be because of topography or because of infrastructure or anything else. You can put the drill wherever you like and we can steer the borehole into the area that you need. Geotechnical investigation is mostly done within civil works, where you have pre-investigation for tunneling, for instance, but also more and more pilot holes. So if you're going to have drill a shaft hole, we can pilot that and keep it vertical. Or if you have a cable that you want to pull a cable between two tunnels, for instance, we can keep that borehole straight and hit exactly where you want it to hit. Thank you very much.